I'm pleased to introduce PowerSoft System to you. We provide business management software solutions such as hotel management software, restaurant management software, accounting software, HR and payroll, website and email hosting. Today I'm talking about how our hotel and restaurant management software are beneficial to hoteliers and restaurant owners. We offer a complete and entire hospitality solution with software systems that range from a desktop hotel management software to online hotel management software, restaurant, desktop and online management software. We also have a booking engine. We have a hotel mobile app as well as a guest feedback system. We also have an online reputation management system. It comes with a lot of other solutions, and all these solutions are integrated into one ecosystem, so which means that data can be transferred from one system to another with ease. Let's talk about eZee Front Desk. This is our flagship desktop hotel management software, which comes with modules such as front office, back office, minibar, etc. And from this diagram, you can see that all these modules are integrated into one system and can be interfaced with third-party solutions. Now let's take a look at how eZee Front Desk looks like, as well as some key beneficial reports. So this is the dashboard of eZee Front Desk. It comes with several view options from room view to list view to stay view, inventory, housekeeping, maintenance, etc. Now, as I said earlier, it comes with a lot of models which have sub-models from check-in or login to reservation and guest database, etc. We also have a back office to track which companies owe you, tools and utilities to track lost and found, etc. We have a guest relationship management model that manages everything about your guests, to housekeeping model that can help you track and assign tasks to housekeepers. We have a maintenance model to make sure that your items and equipment or your AC in your hotels are managed properly. Let's move on to our reports. So we have a few reports, or we have a lot of reports, right? But I'll show a few of them to you since we would want to make this as quick as possible. So for each model, you can see that for reservation, we have a list of reports. For group booking, we have a list of reports. For each model comes with different reports, right? But then I'm going to be taking you through a few of them. We have a city ledger report that allows you to track the companies that owe you, plus how much they owe you as well. So over here, you can see that some companies owe us, and then this is a demo database. So these are the companies that owe us, and then the total of the amount that they owe us. So you can get this in detailed or in summary. We also have a monthly statistics report that allows you to track your statistics and the number of guests you usually have, the amount of money you've been getting. It allows you to track that as well. Okay, so it gives you the average number of rooms, your ADR or RevPAR, your total extra charge, all of this. So you can get all this information, and over here you can see that you can export them in Word, Excel, PDF, etc. You can also check a reservation list report, you can check an arrival list report, you can check a void payment report over here that allows you to check which reports or which data has been edited by your users or your receptionists. You can check night audit reports that allows you to check your night audit report. So over here you can see the room number, the guest name, the source, weekend to weekday rates, all of this. You can see all this information and can be exported to the manager. So there's a lot of information you can get, from room status report to daily revenue summary. So we can check out a daily revenue summary. So over here you can see your daily revenue from front desk, your miscellaneous income, etc. So get the grand total information. So all this can be exported to and emailed to the manager. So we have a lot of reports that you can check out and in detail. That is if you need us to come and do a demo of our software solution. Okay, we also offer, as I said earlier, we offer some integration. So we offer a variety of integrations ranging from core accounting interface to accounting software. So here are a list of accounting softwares you can integrate with, but if you have one of your choice, you can customize and integrate that software system with that. We have a booking engine that you can integrate it with. You can integrate as well with a cash drawer. You can also integrate with internet billing interface, with guest feedback interface, with an iFeedback integration. You can also integrate with a loyalty card. You can integrate with a guest sign pad. So if you want your guests to be able to sign digitally, you can integrate it with that system as well. Next, we're going to be talking about eZee Absolute. Absolute is the online version of eZee Front Desk. So for eZee Absolute, it comes with a lot of other features like a PMS mobile app because it's hosted on the cloud. We also have a mobile guest portal. We have system access controls, managerial reports, etc. And this is how the eZee Absolute interface looks like. So this is how the eZee Absolute interface looks like. It comes with everything that the front desk system has and more. You can also view reports here as well as check your front office to check in, to create reservation, to get your reservation list, etc. All of this is possible with eZee Absolute as well. Okay, so from our eZee Absolute, we'll move on to our online booking engine. This is a client of ours, and this is their website. So from this website, you are able to make a reservation or book for a time or a room. So over here, you can see over here that there are a lot of rooms. We are able to let you have the same look and feel as your hotel website so that clients can or your guests can easily book for a room. We are also able to show the inventory of the room, the number of rooms left. This is real-time information which is being synced directly from your eZee Absolute or your eZee Front Desk software. So over here, you can directly add a room, book a room, and you do not have to key in this information in guest information into your software. As long as the guest fills his or her details, it is directly synced into the software, be it the desktop or the online software. Now you can see over here that with support online, we support integration in online payment gateways from Visa card to Express Pay to Zenith Pay, etc. So based on what you are looking at or based on the online platform that you are seeking, we can integrate with that. Now over here you can see that we can also add a promotional code, which means that if you have promotions for your guests, they can also apply them here and then book for a reservation. So these are the various features of eZee Reservation. That's our booking engine that I just showed to you. It shows that we have PMS integration. We also have Google Hotel Ads. We add Facebook integration so guests can directly book from your Facebook page, as long with a lot of payment gateway options. We have packages and promotions and get your personalized booking engine as well. Now let's take a look at eZee Centrics. So for eZee Centrics, it manages all your OTAs that you're connected to from Booking.com to Agoda to Expedia. So you can directly manage all these accounts under one channel manager called eZee Centrics. So if you are a global brand as well, if you have multiple properties, you can manage all your connections or your sign-ups to these different OTAs or agents, travel agents under eZee Centrics. So over here you can see that we help with email marketing and scheduling, we help with foreign currency rate updates, mobile channel manager. We also integrate with your hotel management software, be it online or desktop. So let's look at what eZee Centrics looks like. So this is how eZee Centrics looks like. It shows all your bookings, plus the sources of the bookings as well. It shows if somebody has cancelled a booking. You can also see the channels that you are connected to from booking.com to Expedia. You can view a lot of other options. So over here, as you can see the booking list, you can also see that over here there are lots of things. So you can directly update your rates and your inventory across all the channels. You can check your packages, you can check your guest review, and as I said earlier, we offer a reputation management. You can check some statistics as well as some reports regarding reservation. Easy Centrics is very good because it's time convenient for you, which means that you do not have to log into all OTAs and do any edits or updates you need to do. It can be done directly from eZee Centrics, and you can get reports or necessary and key beneficial reports regarding that. So as I said earlier, we offer a desktop and online restaurant management software, but this is the desktop one, which is eZee. So these are a few of the models that it comes with, ranging from inventory and stock management. It allows you to have a kitchen display system. It also helps with SMS and email notifications to guests. We also can also integrate with online food ordering portals. We also offer third-party hardware and software integrations. So over here, this is a workflow of how eZee works. It shows the different models of eZee and how they are integrated into one system. It can also be interfaced with third-party systems as expressed earlier. So this is how the dashboard of the back office of eZee, our restaurant management software, looks like. So from here, you can define several from cost center, you can define several stores. So if you have a bar store, cafe store, central store, all the different stores that you have in your restaurant or hotel, you can define that here as well. You can also define outlets. So if you have a garden outlet, a pool outlet, an outlet by the gym, all these outlets can be specified here as well. You can also define different transactions as well as menu items, etc. So from here, you can see that we have menu items, but let's look at item configuration. So you can add different menu items here. So they have so many items here. You can edit any of the items or add new items, and this can be done in any currency or any quantity that you want. So over here, you can see the name of the item code, the category, what does it fall under. All of this can be specified here as well. You can define store items too. So for store items, you come here. So we change to, let's say, cafe store. So for store items, you can add different store items to cafe store. So under cafe store, you can add different items to that as well. So in eZee, you can perform requisition from one store to another, which means that this is requisition. So over here, you can perform requisition from one store to another. So you can say that I want to take something from bar store, what category, it's an alcoholic beverage, and under alcoholic beverage, let's say beer, and select item, beer, Carlsberg, the quantity is 10. So you are taking 10 and then you're adding that. So over here, you can see that we've performed requisition over here. You can save and print and take a look at the requisition that you have done. Also, so you can see over here that we've done beer, Carlsberg beer, 10 requisition. This is the stock at hand, and all of that has been done. This is the amount that is left and whether it has been authorized or not. So that means you can go through different various different approvals, which means that you can raise purchase order in any currency that you want. So these are purchase orders. So you can decide that you want to create a new purchase order, and you can create that as well and then save and print that. So let's say we want to select a new vendor or item and the quantity, let's say 5. So purchase order. Yeah, and then want to save and print that as well. So you can view that as well. So with eZee, there are lots of things you can do with it. You can issue a voucher as well to receive stock. You can also view the vouchers. You can perform goods return. Last but not the least, also you can go through some inventory transactions such as wastage. So if you have a stock of, let's say, 5 items and 2 of them have to go under wastage, maybe because 2 of them are expired, you can specify it over here and say, all right, so you select the outlet that you're looking at. So if it's the garden outlet, select the garden outlet, and then you can select that, okay, 2 items are missing out of the 2 items have to go on wastage, and then the remark or that goes with it, and add that as well. So there are lots of things you can do, from inventory adjustment to inventory consumption. If you manufacture drinks, cocktails, you can also add those items in whatever unit or quantity that you want as well. So just like for eZee Front Desk, you can also check for eZee restaurant management software, some key reports that are beneficial to restaurant owners. So for example, we have I've put in a couple of reports that are very important. So item stock ledger. So you can check um, in detail and summary, or summary with value. So let's say in detail, choose last month, May. Okay, I want to see what our item stock ledger. So let's pull up a report on that. So over here, because we don't have a lot of data, but you can see that you can be able to track the opening and closing of certain items. They are in their units as well. You can see with their ground total, with their group total as well. You can see manufactured, the passage, the day was issued, received, the adjustment that have been made, the sale wastage, all of that can be viewed. We can also look at check it in terms of summary with value. You can check if you want to know the weighted average or the average price, you can use that as well as a parameter for pulling up a report. We can also take a look at your closing stock. So you can take a look at your closing stock, and based on that information, you can make some informed decisions based on that. Depending on, you can check mark which stores that you want to select. You can choose the stores to select and then pull up a report based on that. You can check your sales reports, your how much sales you've made in a month. You can check your cost of sales reports as well. You can check some transactions that have been voided as well. You can check. So let's go back to cost of sales report. You can decide whether or not you want to show complimentary or ignore complimentary. You can decide that as well, and based on that, you can pull up a report. Now, take a look at the point of sale part of eZee. So this is eZee point of sale, and this is what the front desk people will be using. So as you can see here, you can select which salesperson is going to be using it, or reception is going to. You can select which outlet, and then it will pull up the system for you. So over here, you can see that we can do a dining, you can do delivery, you can order room service, you can do a complimentary charge. We also do integration with a thermal printer, receipt printer, so you can print receipts. You can get reports as well using this. So you can do a dining, and you can see the rooms that are occupied by each person. You can see all of that as well. You can do a delivery, you can do room service, complimentary. There's a lot you can do with that. You can use a kitchen display monitor as well when using eZee. So this particularly goes with the modern and intuitive way of restaurant management, and is highly recommended if you want to give your guests the optimum or your utmost best in your restaurant. Now we'll just take a look at eZee Optimus, and eZee Optimus is basically just like eZee, but it's just that this is an online version of it. It comes with a lot of models, and it is particularly strong for its inventory and stock management. It allows with integration with online food ordering portals, just like eZee, integration with third-party hardware and software, just like eZee as well, and comes with the many benefits of using a cloud solution. And as I mentioned earlier, I talked about the various solutions or add-on products that eZee has, which include a digital restaurants menu that can be used on a tablet. We have a guest feedback system that can be integrated with your website, or your website, so that your guests can give their direct feedback. We also have a hotel guest app. I'll be showing you a couple of these things I've mentioned. So for example, eZee iMenu. So over here, you can see that you can log in. So the waiter can, because all your waiters can have tablets, right? And they log in, and then your guests can directly book for, or can directly select a menu that they want, and it's sent directly to the kitchen, and it can be integrated with the kitchen printer, so that their orders are directly sent to. So you can see over here the various, so you can have the different foods, the units, how much it will cost, how many plates you're ordering for. So they can select all of that over here. You can see the various features. It's theme customization, you can modify your items, etc. We also have the hotel guest app, where you are able to hotel mobile app, sorry, where you're able to we can create your mobile app for you. Here you're able to do a lot of things. For example, guests can see your hotel, can give you feedback on your hotel, can see images of your hotel, can book directly via the app as well. And all of these things are done simply by using our hotel mobile app. So you can have a mobile app for your hotel and everything will be done in a minute. So I think this is a very, very good solution for hoteliers, and it will really benefit you if you have a lot of guests that will be interested in it. For example, so over here you can see the hotel information, hotel amenities will be listed over there. It will give you a location to the hotel, as well as some promotions and offers that you are having. This makes it very simple for your guests to easily access information about your hotel and easily book for a room in your hotel. They can also easily add feedback, and it makes it easy for you when making decisions in your hotel. So as you can see here, we support various integration with interfaces and third-party applications. There are lots of applications that we support. Top-notch applications, booking engine, channel manager, accounting software. We support integration with that. We support integration with OTAs, agencies. We support integration with that as well. And you can see over here that everything that I have said means that we have a lot of solutions that can be integrated. So if your company or your hotel or your restaurant needs a software solution that is top notch, eZee is the best way to go. We have everything that other top notch hospitality solutions have, and more. So thank you so much for listening to us. PowerSoft System is the local partner for eZee. eZee has a lot of partners worldwide, but PowerSoft System is the local partner for Ghana. So if you need to contact us, just simply go to www.powersoftsystem.com, and you can see our information here. So from here you can see our phone numbers and you can contact us here. You can see more information on some of the solutions that we offer, and over here you can come here to view sales@powersourcesystem.com, which means you can send us an email if you have any questions. Thank you so much for listening to us.